Hello, students. Hope you're all doing well. This is Mo. So, first of all the best for your upcoming CA inter and CA final results are likely to be on January 2000. All the best. Even if you're not going to qualify, don't get panicked. Don't get panicked. Let us expect the best. Let us expect the best. As you all know, that every student who appears for any examination will not get qualified. And in case of courses like chartered accountants or cost account, the chances are little lesser compared to any other normal answers to qualify are little lesser compared to any other normal course. Anyhow, be bold, be prepared to face any kind of situation. I have seen multiple students who are able to qualify their CA or CMA examination very first attempt, but not able to shine in their career. Same time, I have seen many students who took multiple attempts to clear their CA final or CMA final are doing extremely well in their career. So failing in examinations is not an assurance, is not a benchmark about your career. Say, for example, you are going to you haven't qualified in the examination. That doesn't mean that you are going to fail even in the life also. That doesn't mean that you are going to fail in the career as well. Career is altogether different from examination. Let me continue. So, before I continue, again, let me wish all the best for your upcoming. For example, if you are not qualified in the upcoming CA inter result or CA fund result, now the big question is what is next? But all, if you want to decide to continue this course, then this video is absolutely relevant for you. And if you ask me a personal question, sir, what do you say? Even after not able to qualify the CA inter or CA final examination, you suggest us to continue this? Absolutely not. Absolutely, my dear children. Why not? This is worth continuing. This is worth continuing. Absolutely. And don't think that I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the management of master. Don't think that this is going to be a beneficiary advice to the management of the master. Absolutely. Keep aside the masterminds. Keep aside the masterminds. I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the family member. You just treat me as your family member. You can either treat me as your brother or you can either treat me as your father. You just assume me as your well-wisher, as your family member. I'm not giving this advice in the capacity of the masterminds management. I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the well-wisher to take it positively. I just told you, I have seen so many students who took many attempts to clear the CA examinations, but they're excelling like anything in their real life. The examinations are altogether different from the real life. Take it positively. Be bold. Be bold. Don't give up. Don't give up. Anyhow, now coming to the CA Enter Repeaters batch. Let me tell you the theme of this video. This video is going to cover the additional services that we are going to make available for the upcoming CA Enter Repeater. I repeat, not the services. Please underline, it is the additional service. So what are the additional services that we are going to offer CA Enter Repeater? As you all know that the CA Enter Repeater batches stands for CA Enter Crash Batch and CA Enter Study Center Examination batches. Let me start with the CA Enter Study Center Examination. Now, what do you mean by CA Enter Examination? So before I proceed further, I request the students to kindly like this video so that it will reach more number of students, and if possible, do share this video with your friends. So before I step into the additional services that we are going to offer in the upcoming CA Inter Study and Revision Examination batches, let me tell you, let me remind you, what are the general services or what are the normal services that we offer for the CA Inter Study and Revision Examination batches students. So the services that we offer for the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches in offline mode are as follows. We give a schedule on upfront basis, which contains the micro schedule, which contains the topics to be revised, or the chapters to be revised on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and so on. Immediately after completion of the examination, we even share the printed suggestion answers to each and every student within half an hour so that the student can have a self-assessment. And within 2 weeks, we complete the valuation and we even return the valued answer sheets, and we even circulate the valuation report customizedly prepared for each and every student. I just told you, these are all the normal services that we offer in offline mode for CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches. What are the additional services that we are going to make available at no additional fees? I repeat, at no additional fees as value added services as a one-time offer for May 2024 examinees. So for group 1 and for group 2, of course, the admission for CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches will be available either on group 1 or group 2 basis, or for both the groups, or for both the groups as well. The student can make their own choice. Let us suppose that the student has taken admission for only group 1. In such a case, group 1 new syllabus comprises of advanced accountancy, corporate and other laws, and taxation. So what are the newly added chapters that were added in paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 of the newly added syllabus will be selected, and the video recorded lectures of all the newly added chapters will be will be showed in the classroom. It is not that we are going to give videos access to the students. We are going to play them in the classroom in virtual mode. This is going to happen for group 1 and group 2 students. And of course, for the students who took admission for both the groups also. And not just at Guntur campus. This is going to be made available even at all the branches, wherever the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches are available. As you all know that the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches are available at Vijayawada, Vizag, Tirupati, Nellore, Kurnool, Rajahmundry, and of course, our crown branch. What do you mean by crown branch? That is none other than Hyderabad. So these services are available even at Hyderabad also, apart from the central office, Guntur. Already we have been getting the admission inquiries, and already we have finished some admissions also. We have taken the payment. Already students have made the advance payment for some admissions also. In case of Guntur, I repeat, in case of Guntur, other nothing but the central office. This is going to be the central. This is going to be the complete residential system, CRS, where we are going to place restrictions on usage of cell phone, and the students will be allowed to make use of their cell phone at CA Inter level only for 2 hours a day. That too, only to watch their pending online video lectures or online video class. That's all. Only 2 hours will be allowed to make use of the cell phone. And you'll be given a designated room, and you'll be allowed to make use of the cell phone only in that room. Just a minute, my dear students. In addition to the additional services which I just told you, we are planning to provide one more additional service at Guntur campus. I repeat, only at Guntur campus. And the probability of happening this is more than 90%. So I'm going to reveal about one more additional service that we are going to make available at no additional fees for the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batch students. Do note that we are going to make available this additional service about which I am going to reveal, about which I am going to tell only at Guntur campus. What is that? So we are planning to arrange the doubts clarification sessions directly by the senior faculty, not by the supporting faculty. I repeat, doubts clarification sessions directly by the senior faculty, not by the supporting faculty. And this doubts clarification services will be through Zoom. So the faculty will sit in a centralized location, and the students at all our locations or at all our campuses of Guntur campus will be made available that needed desktops or laptops and the cameras, and they can raise their doubts by sitting in their campus itself. So the faculty will sit in a centralized location. The students will be given access to the doubts clarification services through the devices that we are going to make available at all our campuses. So just by sitting at your campus, you can raise your doubt, and the faculty will clarify that doubt. So for this, we are going to make the needed arrangements like setting up the desktops or laptops, cameras, etc., etc., etc. We'll give a timetable. We'll give a timetable, and we are going to make available the faculty on rotation basis. On rotation basis. So not that all the faculty will be available on each every day. On each and every day. I repeat, not that all the faculty will be available on each and every day. For example, in case of group 1, advanced accountancy faculty will be made available on a specified date. We'll tell you in advance. Corporate and other laws faculty will be made available on a specified date for 2 hours. We'll tell you in advance. And taxation faculty will be made available for doubts clarification through Zoom app on a specified date for 2 hours. So like that, we'll issue the schedule, we'll tell you the schedule much in advance. And this is absolutely at no additional fees, and the probability of making it happen, and the probability of likely to happen is more than 90%. We are right now making arrangements for the free doubts clarification services by the senior faculty at Guntur campus. The last one, I repeat, the last one that is available only at Guntur campus. What is that last one? Free doubts clarification services by the senior faculty.